Good morning, I'm Dr. Deepak Subramanian, Clinical Lead and Senior Consultant in the Department of Minimal Access, GI and Bariatric Surgery at MGM Healthcare, Chennai. We have a team of specialists who are well trained in the field of laparoscopic surgery as well as weight loss surgery for obesity. We as a department have a niche in the treatment of obesity and weight loss or metabolic surgery as we call it, wherein we give effective solutions for both medical as well as surgical solutions for obesity, weight loss as well as treatment of diabetes mellitus. We have a specialized bariatric coordinator who takes care of the nutritional needs of our patients who are obese as well as our regular gastro patients who require specialized nutrition solutions after any surgery. We have a team of surgeons who treat complex hernias, which may include large umbilical hernias or ventral hernias or inguinal hernias by laparoscopic or minimal invasive methods, which makes the patients pain-free and very comfortable following the surgery. We have a dedicated proctology department which takes care of minimal invasive methods for treatment of problems like piles, which is very common, fissures and fistulas. We also are specialized in the treatment of colorectal cancers, which is one of the most rising problems in the society today, wherein we treat these patients by minimal invasive methods, after which the patients are also taken up to in a tumor board meeting to give effective solutions before and after surgery. We also have a treatment protocol for reflux diseases, which is one of the most commonest problems today in the society, wherein we are able to provide patients with a complete solution of anti-reflux by both medical as well as surgical solutions. Thank you very much.